To do this popular spa treatment at home, you'll need about 15 large rolls of elastic bandage and some large safety pins. Boil a few cups of water and stir in some soothing ingredients such as Epsom salts, aloe, herbal tea, a carrier oil such as olive or shea, and a few drops of essential oil. The ingredients vary depending on the kind of wrap you want. While the mixture is still warm, soak the bandages in it. Take a shower and clean your skin, then stand on a towel as you wrap the bandages firmly around your legs, torso, and arms. Pin the ends of the bandages together whenever you run out of one roll and have to start a new one. Try to cover as much of your skin as possible. Find a comfortable place to sit or lie down where you won't make a mess, such as in a bathtub. Relax and enjoy your wrap for about an hour. Keep sipping water so you stay hydrated. When you're done, unwind the wraps starting from the top of your body and working your way down. Rinse yourself off with cool water in the shower.